Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use word effects and Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the chat of the person where you want to use the word effect. Click on the icon that looks like eye in the top right corner. And here you can see the word effects option. Click on it. Now you might think, what does word effect do? In order to learn that, you can either use the ones available in the screen or make your own. Here I'm gonna make my own. In order to do so, click on the text box in the bottom of your screen. Now type in a word or phrase. Then you'll have to click on the stickers icon. Here select an emoji of your liking. After that, click on the arrow. You'll also have to keep in mind that you can set multiple word effects. Now go back to your chat. Now type in the word that you had just set as your word effect. Click on the arrow and send it to this person. And here you just saw how word effects work. So that is how you can use word effects in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.